Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss an important current affairs topic, the summits and the conferences current affairs 2025. So in this video I'll discuss all the national and international summits and the conferences held in April month of 2025. So this is very important for all competitive exam. So before starting the video, I request you, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. And also please like and share this video. So now let's start the video. So question number 1. President of India Draupadi Murmu has inaugurated the National Conference on Environment NCE was held at the Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi, and the National Conference on Environment 2025 has been organized by the National Green Tribunal NGT held in New Delhi. Next, question number 2. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has launched the Niti NCER State Economic Forum portal in New Delhi. Next, question number 3. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has participated in the 6th BIMSTEC, the Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multisectoral Technical and Economic Corporations BIMSTEC Summit was hosted by Thailand. And the theme of this 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 was BIMSTEC's Prosperous, Resiliency and Open. Next, question number 4. Fourth Joint Working Group JWG meeting on the Tourism Corporation between India and the Japan was held in New Delhi. Next, question number 5. Fifth, ninth edition of the 3-day Global Technology Summit was inaugurated in New Delhi by the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar. And the Global Technology Summit 2025 is co-organized by the Ministry of External Affairs with the New Delhi-based think tank named Carnegie India, and it is held in New Delhi, and it's an annual dialogue that was first held in December month 2016, and the summit of the 9th Global Technology Summit 2025 is Sambhavna. Next, question number 6. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan is leading the Indian delegation to the 15th BRICS Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa Group Agriculture Minister meeting scheduled to be held on the was held in 17th April 2025 in Brasilia, Brazil. And the theme of this 15th BIMSTEC AMM meeting is the promoting inclusive and sustainable agriculture through cooperation, innovation and equitable trade among the BRICS countries. Next, question number 7. National Anti-Doping Agency NADA India has successfully organized a conference on building together a clean sports ecosystem at India International Center ICC in New Delhi. Next, question number 8. India has participated in the Africa's largest tech and startup show GTEx Africa 2025, and it was held in Marrakech city in Morocco. Next, question number 9. Arunachal Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Chauna Men has inaugurated the International Conclave on the theme of Buddha Dharma and the culture of Northeast India in Namsai, Arunachal Pradesh. Next, question number 10. 38th meeting of the Central Advisory Board of Archaeology, and it was hosted by the Archaeological Survey of India ASI in New Delhi. And this meeting was hosted by the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, Uduvir Singh. Next, question number 11. In National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, NIPTIM has hosted the second edition of the Sufalam Startup Forum for the Aspiring Leaders and Mentors 2025 on its campus in Kundli in Sonipat district of Haryana. And Sufalam Conclave aims to strengthen the India's food processing sector through innovation, entrepreneurship and collaboration. Next, question number 12. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has virtually inaugurated the 6th edition of the India Steel 2025 summit being held in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And the theme of this India Steel 2025 summit is shaping the future of steel, driving capacity, argumentation, sustainability, digitalization, and downstream application. And the first India Steel Exhibition cum Conference was organized in the year of 2013. Next, question number 13. Union Minister of State for Labor and Employment Sushir Subokhandalje has led the Indian delegation at the 11th BRICS Labor Employment Minister meeting was held under the Brazil's presidency in Brasilia City. And the theme of this BRICS Labor Employment Minister meeting is strengthening the cooperation of Global South for more inclusive and sustainable governances. Next, question number 14. 6. Joint Group of Customs JCG meeting between India and Bhutan was held in Thimphu, Bhutan. So these are the 14 important summits and the conferences held in April month of 2025. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then press the like button and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. And also join my Telegram group. The link is in the description box, also in the pinned comment, or you get all the PDF file and the study material in this channel. So make sure you follow the Telegram group and also check the playlist, or you get the all kind of current affairs of 2024-25 in this channel, and also the general knowledge question answer topic wise in this channel. So make sure you check the playlist. So thanks for watching my video. Bye.